Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be decluttering my pantry. About a year or two ago, I did do a declutter and organizational video where I share different storage tips and tricks. And since then, life has gotten the best of us. It is to the point where you open the door and things do fall out. So I can no longer put this off. If you guys enjoy videos like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. I create new videos twice a week, so there's always something new to watch. But with all that being said, let's get to decluttering.
So this is the before. As you can see, there is literally just a bunch of crap everywhere. I definitely have to tackle down there, and you can barely even see any of the cans that we have here, and just a bunch of different bottles and stuff. And let's not even talk about the mess up here. So I'm just going to focus on the bottom for right now, and then I will tackle the top. So this is everything that I took out. And remember, this is only from the bottom. And then not to mention, we have this basket just full of old bags and things like that we got from the supermarket because we like to reuse them, throwing trash out and things like that. But there is a lot of things to go through. So now what I'm going to do is see if we have any duplicates of bottles, whatever we can consolidate, things that we definitely do not use, I will be throwing out. Yeah, and kind of just going through what's good, what's bad. Okay, so as I was going through everything, I found 2 bottles of soy sauce. They're the exact same brand and everything. So I'm going to try and just consolidate them so we can only have 1 bottle rather than 2, which is just going to take up even more space. I also have these little blue bins, and what I did and put into the first one are all of our chili seasoning packets and things like that. So this way I could get rid of the box to just save a little bit more space, and then some oven bags that we'll need for the holiday season. So I put that in there, and then for the next one I just put random peanut butter packets. I like to take these for lunch or a snack and bring them to work, so I'm only getting the proper serving size. So I like to keep those in there, as well as any of our like Crystal Light packages. And I also wanted to try one of these alarm bars as well. So that's what I decided to put in here, just to consolidate everything all in one place. So this is how everything looks right now. It's definitely a huge improvement. I got rid of a bunch of things. This is the huge bag of stuff that I got rid of just from the bottom. I figured it would be better to put the cans and everything up here, because before they were down here and it was hard to see behind this shelf what cans you had at the top. So now it gives us better visibility into the cans. Then I have the 2 little bins, and then back here just sandwich bags, and then some sugar that we don't really cook with too often, so it's good to have them back there. And then all down here is going to be all of our sauces and things like that. And now looking back at it, I think it's such a better idea to put them down on this second shelf, just because we do have so many sauces and things like that that we cook with. So now looking down at it, we can actually see what's in the back. And then down at the bottom is going to be sweet potatoes, and I put all of our red onions into a plastic bag, so it's going to cut down on the extra trash that may fall in like the leaves or whatever, the outer portions of the onions. And then in the back we just have some protein powder, our avocado oil, and extra virgin olive oil, and then a bunch of our pre-workouts for the gym. But it is such a big improvement, guys. Now it's time to tackle the top up here. Let me go get a chair and a stool, because there's definitely no way I can reach all the way up there, and then we'll just do literally the same exact thing. So what I ended up doing is putting all of the breadcrumbs into this container I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then I did the same thing with the long grain brown rice. It's just easier to grab and go.
Lying when I told you guys that our pantry was a hot mess, but it looks so much better now. This is definitely something I am going to do every 6 months or so. If you guys enjoyed this video or found it to be helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you've been putting off in your home that really needs to be decluttered. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.